I'm not Dr. Catherine. If I was, immediately when you saw my name, you'd think I had credibility, which is my ethos, the third rhetorical device. I do make lots of videos talking about English, presentation skills, communicating in English, and this adds to my credibility. But what can you do if you're in a situation where you're talking to people who don't know about your credibility or maybe doubt your credibility? So one of my clients was working in a situation where she was organizing events, and the people she was organizing events for, they didn't really know who she was. And they assumed that organizing events, anybody can do that, right? Yeah, no. So what we worked on was increasing her credibility just by using simple phrases such as "in my experience," "in a previous project that we did," a successful project similar to this one. We did this so that we could show her experience in this context without resorting to, well, I did this and then I did this and then I got this qualification. It's something you have to drop into the presentation very subtly. But when you do, people will start to see that you know what you're talking about. So case studies, previous experience that's similar to what you're talking about now, previous successes which relate to this topic, all of these can add to your ethos. And you don't need to make a whole load of videos like me or become a doctor.